Make your own liquid eyeshadow trio with TKB Mousse Medium. All you have to do is mix and fill. To make one eyeshadow at a time, start by pouring the mousse medium into an empty Ziploc bag. Next, add your mica color. Seal the Ziploc bag and smush the ingredients together between the palms of your hands. Mix until you can't feel any clumps. Swatch the color to see if you want to add more mica. Now you're ready to fill. Using scissors, snip off a corner at the bottom of the Ziploc bag. Fill by piping the mixture into the tube. And your liquid eyeshadow is ready to wear. We'd love to see what you create. Take a photo of your finished product and tag us on Instagram at TKB Trading.